Okay, so for question number 6 on test 1, part 2, we're asked to find the graph showing, that best represents the velocity of the stone as a function of time. So we're asked to find a graph that is showing the velocity with respect to time of a rock that was dropped from a bridge. So, looking at the initial conditions that I have written here, we can start drawing the graph that will correctly represent this. So first we have V0 starting at 0. So if V0 starts at 0, then we need our point to start there at 0. And if we're going down at negative 10 meters per second, as the acceleration shows, which is gravity, then we know that the acceleration is going to be pulling the object down like this. So this is what the graph of V of t is going to look like of the rock being dropped from the bridge, which is why the answer is B.